My name is Monica. I'm with Shorty's Wanderlust. I have been in the travel business for 3 years, and I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to use one of my booking pages. So this is my Linktree page, and this is my view. Let me go ahead and show you what it would look like on your end. So this is what it looks like on your end. And I'm gonna look for my Viator page. So when you click on that, the main page you will see next to the Viator logo is going to be my name as your agent. So this is how you can verify that you are on my booking page. And you're just going to select your destination. You don't have to enter dates, but you can if you want to narrow down. And you'll be able to look at any of the excursions that are offered by Viator that you would be booking through me. And what this does is it will allow me to service this reservation for you. If you have any issues with the tour operator, with your reservations, I can advocate on your behalf. And anything that you book using my booking page, I receive a small commissions for. So as you can see here, you have different categories that you can look at, or this is basically you can sort by featured, by price, duration, etc. I'm just going to click on one to give you an example. And this is Maka Warriors Luau. This is one of the more top-rated luau's on Oahu, which I highly recommend. I've been to this one. So to make your booking, you're going to select your date that you want to attend. And if you notice on these days here that are grayed out, that means they are either not open on that date or they are sold out and have no availability. So you want to select a date that is available, and you will select the number of people that you want to book, and they have different ages available. I'm just gonna, to keep it simple, I'm just gonna do 2 adults and click apply. And then it will give you the different packages that are available and the times. So I'm looking here at the Mo'i package with transportation, and you just click on read more to look at the information and everything that's included. You can click on, everyone individually before you decide which one you want to do. And I'm just going to show this one for this demonstration. So once you select your date and time that you want, as you can see now, Viator has a reserve now and pay later option available. This isn't for all excursions, but for many of them. And I really love this feature because what this does is it will hold your spot and confirm your reservation without charging your card immediately. If you select book now, you will enter your information and it'll charge your card immediately. So I'm going to show you this one. Okay, and you're just going to fill in your contact details, and you can select for them to send you text messages, and it's just going to be any pertinent information, like if there's any cancellation due to weather or any other issues, or just your confirmation. Once you complete entering these sections, you will enter your payment details. And as I said, when you select the reserve now, pay later, you're entering your credit card information for them to hold your spot. However, they will not charge you. And they give you 24 to 48 hours to cancel without any penalties. So as you can see here, it is letting me know that my card will be charged on April 16th if I select this. Another thing that I'd like to show you today, and this is a view from my page, from my end, is how I can share a direct booking link. So when I have requests for certain excursions, I'm able to not only, let me just go back. I'm able to not only share my main page, and this is the same page that I just showed you, but I can also go to that specific excursion. Click on it, and I can share the link with my client and send it to them, and they're able to book this on their own. Of course, I'm happy to book it for you as well. And this is just mainly for, people that want to have the freedom of booking their own excursions, but still want the advocacy and the support of a travel agent. One more thing that I would like to show you is my curated lists. This is something that I've only recently started using. And as you can see, I have them by destinations. So just to show you, this is basically a collection of activities that are either very highly rated, very popular based on feedback from prior clients, public reviews, and tours that I've personally vetted. And I can send this entire list in a link as well. I would copy it and send it to my clients. And I include curated lists with my itineraries when I build them for my clients as well. And then they will have access to this entire list, and they will be able to click on any of the activities from this list and also book it from there. So there are a couple of ways that you can book excursions through me. I hope this was helpful. I will put links in the description. Thank you so much.